So I was scrolling through YouTube, guys, and I realized no one's really done two-stroke snowmobile runs on vodka. Well, I got a jug of vodka, got a water bottle, and I got a hole in the lid, and I have a two-stroke snowmobile now. The Skidoo Citation. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna fill this up. I'll hook you guys back up when it gets done. So you all know, this is 40% alcohol per volume. It's 80 proof. I was told if it's 60 proof or above, it'll burn. Well, here's the vodka. Smells like rubbing on. Oh, there's the vodka smell. Holy shit, that is actually pretty strong for that stuff. Well, I'll catch you guys back up when I'm outside and dressed and everything. Okay, guys, welcome back. Here we go. So here's the vodka. There's snowmobile. Now I wired this thing up so you don't need a key to start it, because it's my racing sled. So I'll put this right here. Prove to you all that it's out of fuel. Oh shit. Oh, let me swap my hand. Whoa. Come on. See? It's out of fuel. So, pop it in. There's the seat. Oh yeah, it didn't come with the seat, so the seat. That's a thing of fuel. Here's another thing of fuel. Here's the vodka. A generous amount in. And then I'll set you guys up right here so you can see if it starts. There we go. Well, shit, I don't think it'll work. Hey, let me try something. Okay, this is gas that I will put it in, but I'll spray vodka right in afterwards. Okay, now she's got gas in it too. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah. Come on. Well, she likes the vodka. Holy shit, bud. Holy shit, bud. And she run. Oh, and the exhaust smells nice, too. Well, fucking A, bud. She runs better on vodka than on fucking two-stroke gas. Pre-mixed. Well, there you go. Well, it's 81 Skidoo Citation SS two-stroke snowmobile run on vodka. The answer is yes. It will run on it. Woo! The reason I haven't posted on the channel is because, well, I haven't really had time to post mostly on TikTok. My most active channel. My stuff for that is FGB LGB from Wisconsin, WI. That's my TikTok. You guys want to follow that? Go ahead. It'd be great. Yeah. But yeah, fuck, she'll run on vodka. Well, shit. Got this. Tell some people. Let them know it.